the air humidifier for you. And the model number of this model is HT-H003. And there are 3 versions, version A, version B, and version C. And this is option A. It is the basic version. It is operated by lock switch that to adjust the mist intensity. And also here is the indicator light. And it is quite smooth, so it is simple for control. This is version A. And this is version B. You can see it is operated by digital buttons. Also with the LCD screen to display the temperature and the actual humidity in the room. And based on the mist judgment, this version also has the timer setting as well as the constant humidification function. And this is version B. And this is version C. It is the most upgraded version. It is operated by the touch panel and also with the LCD screen to display the humidity in the room. And also all the basic functions are the same as version B. But this version also has the additional Anion function that to release the negative ions to improve the air quality. And concerning of the night time, this version is equipped with the rainbow light that to illuminate in the dark. And also this version has the constant humidification that range from 45% to 90%. And the timer setting is can be from 0 to 24 hours. This is version C. And I will also have an actual operation for you to show more details later. And now I will take a look on the tank. You can see the tank is transparent. That you can see the water in the tank directly. And the color can be transparent gray or transparent blue like this one, or other colors, that's up to you. And the shade is quite shiny. The material of the housing is ABS practice. That you may know that ABS practice has good performance in non-flammable. And the tank also has high capacity, which is of 4.5 liter. So it is pretty large enough for normal household use. And the mist volume is 350 milliliter per hour. So it can operate up to around 15 hours. And also the coverage for the room is 50 square meter to 100 square meter. And you can see that on the top of the tank, here is the nozzle. And it is double nozzle that can be taken away. And it can be rotated counterclockwise or clockwise at 360 degrees. So you can make the mix spray to all directions. And also at the bottom of the tank, here is the filter. And the purpose of this filter is to detect the water level. So it is for the water shortage protection. And this is the tank. And back to the base, you can see that at the bottom, here is a lead cover. And it is the air inlet. You can open this cover. There's a piece of sponge that to filter the air or other dust in the air. And near this air inlet, there's a fragrance box equipped here. So you can drop essential oil in the box that the aroma will come out with the mist and make the room smell good. And also on the top of the base, here is the air outlet. And there's also an axial DC fan inside that to force the airflow that come out from this air outlet and through the chimney of the tank, so that out of the nozzle. And in the center right here is the ultrasonic transducer, and it is operated by the ultrasonic vapor generator, which can turn the water into tiny soft mist. Here I can show you this part, the ultrasonic vapor generator. And also, this is the PCB board. And this is the smart sensor for version B and version C. Since these two versions can monitor the outer temperature and humidity in the room. So now I will have an actual operation for you to show how to use and how it operates. I will take version C for your review first. First of all, you need to place the air humidifier on a stable base, and then lift up the tank and take away the nozzle and turn it over, and then rotate the cape here counterclockwise and fill water in it. And also for a gentle reminder that it's better to use purified water, since purified water can ensure the quality of the humidity that's healthier for humans, and also can keep longer service lifetime for the device. Water is pretty enough. And tighten the cape clockwise, and then hold the tank back to the base. Put back the nozzle, and then plug the plug the machine to the power supply. And also this power cord is normally 1.2 meter. And the working voltage as well as the plug time that can be made different according to the requirement of the country. And the rating power of the device is 30 watts. So now let's start. First, we touch the power to turn on the device. And now you can see from the screen that the actual humidity at the room this moment is 67%, and I will now set a higher constant humidification to be 80%, and the device will keep on producing and spraying the mist. And if you want to shorten the humidification time, you can measure the mist volume by touching this mist adjustment signal. That here now is the medium, and now it is the largest, and there are 3 levels. And this time is the smallest one. And also, I would like to show you what it will happen when the actual humidity in the room that reach to the constant humidification you have set. And now the actual humidity in the room is 68%. And I will set a lower constant humidification to be 45%. Or 50%. And the device will stop Yes, it has stopped. The mist has stopped producing and no spraying out. So you can see the result is when the actual humidity in the room has reached to the constant humidification you have set. The device can monitor the outer humidity and take actions accordingly. So if you don't want to have this constant humidification function, you can set the constant humidification to be 0% so that you can cancel this constant humidification function, and the device will keep on producing and spraying mist without any limit. And now let's switch on the rainbow light. There are 7 different colors that rotating continuously. And also the Anion function can increase the oxygen saturation. And the timer setting can be 0 to 24 hours. That's up to you. Okay. This is the version C. I will turn it off first. And now let's see the version B. Put the machine into the power supply. And you can see there are 4 digital buttons here. And press the on-off button to have it on. And you can adjust the mist volume. And now it is the largest one, level 3. And this version also has 3 levels for the mist adjustment. And now it is the level 1, smallest. The second time is the medium, larger. And the third time is the largest, level 3. And also timer setting that can be 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. And here also has the constant humidification setting. That you can press it for the first time to have this function on, or press it the second time to cancel this function. And also this is option A. It is operated by lock switch. And also there's an and there's an indicator light right here that when the device is working properly, this indicator light will show in blue. But when it is lack of water, this indicator light will turn to be red. I can also show to you. The machine. And then you turn it on. Can you see that? The indicator light is now in red. That's reminding you to refill water, and also the device will stop spraying mist. You can see there are no water in it. And this water shortage protection is also take effect for version B and version C. And I can also lift up the tank for review. So you can hear there's a warning announcement. And also here, right here, there's warning indicator display on the screen. And the device is stopping producing mist as well. So you hold it back. The device is keeping on producing mist. I will also turn it off. So you don't need to worry about the waterless.